Alright, so today papanoorin natin ang isang choral or choir from New York, man. International, let's go! Isang choir sa New York City. Ang pangalan ng choral nila is Otaku Choir. So yun yung isa-search nyo sa YouTube. Ito yung channel nila, Otaku Choir. And they're gonna sing an SB19 song, Mapa. So, wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. If you want to watch SB19 contents with me and have some fun, please do subscribe to the channel and subscribe to Otaku Choir, man. Let's go! Mapa by SB19. This is pretty exciting. Let's go. Otaku Choir, make your resolution at least 1080p HD so we can see your faces, bro. But thank you for singing Mapa. I love you. Bruh, man, SB19 is being performed. SB19 songs are being performed outside of the country, man, and by a choral. It's so magical. I'm so happy for SB19, man. Let's go. Oo, may ibang ano sila, Angel. Shout outs for putting the visualization here, the lyric video. I love it. Oh my god, I'm so happy because I was also a part of a choral. Shoutouts to ano ba pangalan ng choral namin? Kultura Simfonica Choral sa school namin sa Zamboanga. Shoutouts to ZSCMST, my school. And I was in Kultura Simfonica Choral and studying a song. Pag nasa choral ka, bass ako, bass 2. Kapag nagsa-study ka, isa-study mo ang notes. Isa-study mo yung lyrics, right? So itong mga ibang mga lahi na to or mga Americans o ano ba mga lahi nila diyan, they have to read it all over again, over and over again para ma-memorize nila pati yung notes, pati yung lyrics, man. Tas isipin mo yun, OPM yung mini-memorize nila, P-pop. Sobrang saya nun, pare. Sobrang nakaka-proud nun. Let's go. Shoutouts to the yeah. Thank you for not letting the yeah go. ang awkward sa choir, my yeah. We've never done that. Sa akin kasi, may kasi kanta, shoutouts to Zamboanga again. Shoutouts, tapos kasi na-shoutout ko yung Zamboanga boy, ako lang gumagawa nun. Kanta kasi ng Zamboanga City, yung Zamboanga Zamboanga, hermosa, preciosa perlita, orgullo de mi Mindanao, tus bellas dalagas, solas que musea, tu deliciosa ciudad. Ah, man, I miss the moments. Holy shit, man. Woo! This is freaking crazy. Alam mo yung parang kinakantahan ka ng mga anghel? Bro, shoutouts to Zamboanga City, man. Hindi totoong ano doon nakakatakot sa ZC because I've been there, I went to school there. I'm gonna shout out my city, man. Alam mo, normal lang doon, parang Manila lang din. Akala lang iba kasi doon pag pumunta ka, babariling ka out of Wala, normal lang din doon, pare. Man, let's go. This brings back memories. Let's go.
Naaalala mo pa kaya?
Yeah. Oh!
Nung ako'y bata pa, di ba? Aking puso yung hinanda sa mga bagay na buhay ang may dala.
Yan, Edward.
Dala ko ay yung mapayo at hanggang sa tulo makalaw yung matayo. Ako'y tatayo, pangako tatay ko. Ikaw ang aking kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata na pahinga muna. Ako nang bahala, bis pa sa labis ang iyong nagawa, Papa. Pahinga muna, ako na. La chara chara, la chara chara, la chara chara chara, la chara la chara, la chara chara, la chara chara, la chara chara chara, la chara la chara. Di ko na sasayang ang mga
What the heck?
natitirang paghinga. Tutungo na
They're showing the faces of their parents, bro.
Mahalaga, at kahit na kailang kamay di mawa, malapad ka dalang kong mapa, sa mamapugalang kung saan nagmula.
Huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong matatahan.
I love that they chose a very American man to sing the bridge, man. Talagang maririnig mo talaga yung overly American yung ano niya, yung tawag nito yung accent. Shoutouts to my dude, man. He's singing his heart out. I love itong choir na they don't care about, alam mo yon, pagpili ng mga kung anong dapat, paano siya i-pronounce. I love it na they're just singing it kung paano sila, alam mo yon, their own accents and all. I love it, man.
Huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong matatahan. Pahinga muna, ako na.
Huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata na pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Pahinga muna, ako na. Tara, 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 tara,
Bruh. Alright, let's cut to the chase. And let's do this, okay? I'm gonna need a favor from you. I don't usually do this because I only subscribe to the channel that I really wanna see. Sa newsfeed ko sa YouTube, I don't just subscribe to anybody. It is something that I should really like. And I just need a little bit of favor and let's subscribe to them, man. They got 1.7k, 1.7 lang yung subscribers nila. Dagdag lang tayo ng konti. I know we're not that many, but I really freaking love this. I love their efforts. I love that they're singing SB19 songs, and I want more. I'm gonna subscribe to these people. I love it so much, man. I love the imperfections as well, because that's what makes them human. I freaking love it. Tang ina. Oh, I'm feeling something, man. Holy shit. Let's go. Subscribe to Otaku Choir, please do. Just search Otaku Choir, man. Wow. Hi, that's good. That's good.